So I'm tossing it there now. So one more time, the basic formula for a major is 3-2. So that means there's 1, 2, 3 keys between the first two, and 2 keys between the second two. And you can apply that formula to any note. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So they're gonna look different. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, but they're all major chords, right? And there's 12 major chords, one for each key on the piano. And then minor is going to be opposite that, 2, 3. Okay, we got that. So practice all your major and minor chords. And then what to do with a major scale. So this is a C major scale. And what that means is these are the available notes. So when we're composing, jamming, improvising, whatever, and we're in the key of C, we're going to use these notes and not these notes, right? And again, we're going to find out what chords are available in the key of C. So we start with, we're just going to use these keys, which happen to be all white keys, and you make chords by skipping notes. So the first chord is C major. If we go to the 2 chord, the second chord in the scale is D minor. Third chord is E minor. Fourth chord is F major. Fifth chord is G major. Sixth chord is A minor. Seventh chord is B diminished. 2, 2, but we're almost never going to use that. You don't really have to worry about that at this moment. But when you come up with a chord progression, generally what happens in the pop realm or rock realm, whatever, is you pick 4 chords and you play them in succession, and that's a section, like that's a verse. So again, our example was No Woman, No Cry, one of the most common chord progressions. Pretty much every Taylor Swift song ever written has this chord progression at some point in the song. 1, 5, 6, 4. So 1 is C major, 5 is G major, 6 is A minor, 4 is F major. And what you can do is you can play the chords in your right hand and play just the bass note in the left hand, which is the first note of the chord. So 1, 5, 6, 4, right? So practice that and then come up with you can come up with random numbers 1 through 6, and you can repeat things and just play them and see what you think and see if you can improve on them.
Awesome, great.